Good morning, day 4 of 75 Hard. Last night I was texting with a couple of clients that are doing this with me, and one of them said, "Does this get better? I'm miserable." And I know we've all felt that about all kinds of things in our lives at some point in time. And I sent them back a quote from Epictetus that said, "It's not things that upset us, but our judgment of things." You know, we get to control the way that we think about stuff. And so often, especially with health and fitness, people, go on a strict diet. They're like, "Oh, this is terrible." They do a workout and they're like, "Oh man, this sucks so bad." And "Oh man, I'm sore," blah, 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 blah. But perspective changes everything. And all you have to do, I hate saying that, but all you have to do is shift your perspective of something. Is it miserable or is it making me better? Is it the thing I signed up for and committed to when I was all warm and cozy in my bed? And I'm excited about tackling these things. I'm excited about the growth. I'm excited about the challenge. I'm excited about the results I see on the back end. Or am I miserable? Does this suck? Am I tired of peeing, 400 times a day? Yes to that last one. But other than that, we have to be guarded about the way that we think and the way that we respond to things. So whatever you're facing, whatever challenge you're going through, I'm not saying like it's always good and, look on the bright side. Like that's some shitty advice sometimes. Admittedly, I've said that to people, but we can still control the way that we think about things. And if you think it's going to be miserable, it's probably going to be miserable. If you think it's going to be awesome, it's probably going to be awesome. Y'all have a great day. Keep making good choices. See you again. Look at this, actually got some sweat going on. Workout number 2 on my back patio. Push-ups and squats because my little nugget's taking a nap inside and I can't go far from the house. And I won't have time later to do this because I just won't. So push-ups and squats it was. Got it done. All right, party people, day 4, 75 hard. I think I still have a progress picture to take, but other than that, completely done for the day. Just a little pro tip for you. Set an alarm in your phone for like 7:30, 8 o'clock, maybe 9 o'clock if you stay up late, and let that be the alarm that reminds you to check and make sure you did everything. Because at some point, when you get in the 40s and 50s, all the days just blend in together, and it's really easy to think that you read or think that you took your pick. You know whether you drank the water, and you know whether you did your workouts or not. You know whether you ate wrong, but the pick and the book tend to just start to blend in, and you need some sort of a reminder to make sure that you don't screw up on day 57 because you forgot to take a pick. So set an alarm on your phone. It's a pro tip for you. And I'll be back tomorrow with more. Y'all keep making good choices. Have a great night.